In this video, we are going to review the Headway application, which is also known as the #1 most downloaded book summary application. So it is also available on the website, and you guys can get started right by clicking on it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna review their website, and then we're gonna read a bunch of reviews from all over the internet about them and how they are actually functioning within the application the people have paid for. So what we're gonna see is that this is the Headway application, this is the home page, and we are here, and it shows the first button right here which says get started. We're just gonna go ahead and click on that to see what they are actually offering. So when we click on the get started button, we get to another website which says onboarding.makeheadway.com. So we're just gonna go ahead and give a 3-minute quiz. For example, I'm just gonna go and mark my age and go ahead and click on continue and then select the gender, then continue, and then choose areas where you like to elevate. For example, emotions, motivation, nutrition, habits, self-confidence, mindset, creativity, and personal finance and other stuff. So just go ahead and select your preferences and then continue, and then also continue with that. Whose life principles, success, and personality inspire you the most? You guys can select between any of these persons. For example, I'm gonna go select between Jeff Bezos, Steve Jobs, and Emma Watson. I'm just gonna click on continue. Are you big picture or detail oriented person? I'm a detail oriented person, so I'm gonna go with that. Having a detail oriented thinking is a helpful trait for accomplishing your task practically flawlessly. So just go ahead and click on continue button. Do you always know what you want exactly? So I'm just gonna go with the little smaller thumbs up button and then press on continue. I tend to doubt myself and skills if I make mistake. Uh, I'm just gonna go with I don't know. If you don't make mistake, you don't make anything. So doubt yourself and your skills. It's normal if you make mistakes, buddy. So just go ahead. What describes you more? A leader. I'm just gonna go with that. I often find it challenging to make a decision quickly. Uh, no. I usually feel like I lack inner power to face challenges. Strongly no. What do you consider yourself? I'm an introvert. Do you associate regular workouts with better performance at work? Yep. Let's go with that. Do you sometimes need a friendly push to keep moving forward? A big yes. Do you feel like need to boost your time management skill? Yes. I often tend to lose my boundaries in a relationship. Pretty much yes. Are you satisfied with your, I don't know, do you want to better understand your body and desires? So what, when you succeed in something, you would rather think of what you could done better and then continue. Do you like your job activity? Pretty much yes. Do you maintain healthy work-life balance? Yes. There are a bunch of questions, just a couple of minutes to get it completed. Just I feel like I'm capable of much of more of professionally. You feel like good about your finance. Do you often worry that you're not good enough? Pretty much. Do you compare yourself to others? Strongly no. So this is a book that they have recommended me for my life, and this is how you guys can do it. For example, you guys can go to a survey like I did, and they practically referred a book to me, which is Deep Work. So this is the book that is gonna be my book. So choose a book that seems interesting to you. How to talk to anyone. Uh, I will teach you to be rich. This is sort of a book that I want. So this is pretty much it. This is how you guys can use their application, and let's go head towards the Headway application reviews over the Trustpilot website. As you guys can see that it got more than over 3,330 reviews, and total review rating is 4 star. Where you guys can see that it's a verified website with a proof of identity, registered domain on name ownership, and a bank account attached to it. So it is pretty much authentic and legitimate. So the overall review rating is pretty good, where 56% of the people have rated it 5 star, only 25% have rated it 1 star. So let's read some of the reviews. Not what I was expecting. Do not use this company. They are robbing. So absolutely con. Self-awareness is eternal. Giving this 1 star is generous of me. Extremely useful and insightful app. Great way to start my day. Highly recommended for non-readers. Something to do while driving. Very practical. I truly imagine this would be very helpful for someone who is trying to replace their scrolling habit. Something new. I love this application. I hate reading. I don't have time or the energy to focus for hours. I love the book summaries. They give exactly the important parts, and I can listen in my car driving on a short commute and take notes. ADD, the app is for you. It's sure be so wasting hours on social media. So there's a bunch of mix and match of the reviews over here. So, but I would recommend you to try this out for once. And if you don't find comfortable, just don't recontinue your subscription. Just deactivate your subscription or unsubscribe from Headway. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this really helpful.